For my flipping technology, I chose Meta.io. So once you are on the site, it gives you the option to create an account with your information or using Google Drive. So I actually just created an account with my information. And so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, so now that I am signed in, it takes you to this window where you can either teach, learn, or do activities, or create a lesson. And so they put all the lessons into like groups so that you can share this information with your students or whoever you're sharing this lesson with, and you can add them to the group. And so the first thing that you're going to want to do to create your lesson is to click Add New Lesson to Group. And you'll see here that it gives you two options. You can either go multimedia lesson or simple video. We're going to go multimedia lesson. And then over here on the right you can see that it says add instructions, so you can give a description of your lesson, and then down below you can either uncheck or check and give a due date for that particular lesson. So we're going to go ahead and click on Open Lesson Editor. And once it comes up, it asks you to title your lesson. So we're going to title the lesson how to use Meta.io. Okay. And so here you'll see that it gives you the screen where you're going to create your lesson. And so for this particular, it gives you a cover, and on your cover you'll see that it has your title, and then the first thing that you get is a clip. So in the clip you can add a text, you can add a video, or you can add a picture. And so to add a video, you click on the video, and up here it gives you a screen, a search bar. And so in the search bar we're going to go YouTube, and there's actually a couple of people who've created videos for this already, so Meta.io. So you push enter, and then the screen comes up where it actually searches for the video that you're looking for. And so you kind of, you can search through, and this one's probably the first one that seems to be a bit more helpful, and you click insert now. It inserts it straight into that particular clip. You can also add a new clip if you would like. This takes from, so if you add a new clip, you can go through and it'll ask you different things, like if you want to add a video or if you want to add text from Twitter. So you can add live Twitter text to this as well. But one other cool thing that they have is that you can insert a poll or a quiz. And so you just go in and you can choose how many people can respond, so you can limit it to the number of students in your class. So what I did is I went ahead and created a quick quiz. I added the question how to add a quiz to your Meta, and then I gave these 3 different answers. Over on the right you can see that you can either do a poll to do a survey, or you can do a quiz where you click the correct answer, and once the students take it, it will let them know whether or not their answer is correct. So we are going to, now that that is done, you can actually move this clip if you'd like. If you wanted it forward as a poll to see if anybody knows, or if you want to move it down, you can do that. We can also go over and save this. And then if you would like, you can actually preview. And so when you click preview, it gives you this nice presentation. And you just click play, and it'll put your name up there real nice, and it shows the video. So I'm going to go ahead and skip all the way to the end of this video, and then as it moves from one clip to the next, it go ahead and it gives you that quiz that you're looking for. And so after you've previewed it, you can click done. To now be able to share this, you're going to go up, you're going to go to File, you're going to browse your lessons. And when you browse your lessons, you'll see that I actually have a couple of these because I was trying this a few times. And you're going to click share. So you can go into share, and you have several different options to share. So you can share on Twitter, you can share on Facebook, you can get an embedded code, or you can get a permalink, or you can assign to your group. So if you assign it to your group, you just have to make sure your students all have accounts and they can go in that particular way. So we're going to go into assign to a group, and we click first group. And now it's there. And so I can activate it now, or I can activate it later. And again, you can add the description, and you can add the due date. And that's it for how to use Meta.